Kaizer Chiefs legend Lucas Radebe believes Nasruddin Nabi, who has been linked to the club's vacant head coach position, has what it takes to lead Amakosi to their glory days. Nabi has been reported as a front-runner for the Chiefs' jobs, although nothing official has been heard from the club. The Tunisian tactician came close to joining Chiefs last season after winning the back-to-back trouble with young Africans in Tanzania, but talks broke down and he joined a Moroccan side Asfar. Radebe feels it will be a good acquisition should Nabi join the Glamour Boys, and said, I think with a coach like Nabi, I heard that he is bringing his technical staff. It is a huge responsibility to get the club back to where it belongs. Radebe told the media during the Betway 12th man event in Johannesburg on Tuesday. He said, in such a big club like Chiefs, you need big players. You need quality to compete locally, first with Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates, and get back to playing the CAF Champions League. I think Nabi will be a good acquisition. Surely we will see a change in Kaizer Chiefs next season. Radebe also called for patience from the club's fans and said having to back such a coach, he will bring back not just the glory but the fans as well. He will bring the belief back again and they will want to do well and want to compete because fans demand a lot. I believe that going forward they can acquire good players, put a better structure in place and improve the team. If you look back at the glory days of Chiefs, they had quality players. Radebe was among guests alongside Banyana legend Simphiwe Dludlu, former boxer Jean Defenders. He further stated it is an absolute honor to be part of a brand that establishes such care for retired athletes. Many athletes are in desperate need of such guidance and assistance. It is encouraging to have forward-thinking brands spearheading life-changing initiatives, which I believe will go a long way in helping retired athletes reinvent themselves in society. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.